In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send internal notifications on WhatsApp in GoHighLevel. We're going to walk through how to set up an automation so your team gets WhatsApp updates internally, for example, when an appointment is booked. This helps you respond faster and stay organized without constantly checking your dashboard. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your Launchpad. This is the main starting area where you see the key tools and shortcuts for your location. From here, look for the automation section and click on it. Automation is where all your workflows live, and that's what we'll use to trigger WhatsApp messages automatically. Inside automation, go to Workflows and click on Create Workflow. Instead of starting from scratch, we're going to speed things up by using a pre-made template. So choose the option to Select from Template. You'll see a list of templates designed for different use cases. Look for a template related to appointment booking, or whichever flow best matches when you want your internal WhatsApp notification to fire, and click Choose Template on that one. Once you've selected it, confirm by clicking Proceed. This loads the workflow into your account, ready for customization. Now that the workflow is open, find the internal notification step in the flow and click on it. If the template doesn't already have one where you want it, you can always add a new action anywhere in the workflow and choose internal notification from the list of actions. This is what will convert to a WhatsApp alert. In the internal notification settings, click on Notification and then choose WhatsApp as the channel. This tells GoHighLevel that this internal notification should be delivered via WhatsApp instead of email or another method. Next, choose who should receive this message. Click on Select User Type, then pick Particular User. This lets you send the notification to specific team members. In the Users field, click into it and select the user or users you want to notify. Make sure these users have their WhatsApp details correctly connected in your system so messages can be delivered. Now, choose the content. Open the Templates drop-down and select the WhatsApp template you want to use, or simply use it as a starting point. Then, in the Message field, edit the text or write a new message. It's a good idea to include key details like the contact's name, appointment time, and any notes, using merge fields if needed, so each notification is personalized and useful. When you're happy with the message and the settings, click Save Action. Your WhatsApp internal notification is now part of the workflow and will trigger automatically based on the template's